In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell tickets on Ticketmaster. To make selling seamless, it helps to understand the Ticketmaster flow from account setup through checkout. Start by heading to the official Ticketmaster website or opening the Ticketmaster app. If you already have an account, sign in. If not, create one by entering your email, setting a secure password, and confirming your details. Enable security features and verify your contact information since you'll use the same account to manage listings and transfers. Next, use the search bar to find the event. Type the artist, team, or show name, then narrow results by city, venue, or date. Open the correct event page and double check the date and time so everything matches the tickets you plan to manage. On the event page, select the tickets. You'll see available sections and prices on the seating map. Choose the section and quantity that fit your needs, and review any notes about restricted views or delivery limitations. Seeing how seats are displayed helps you price fairly when you list your own tickets. Add the selection to your cart. A countdown timer usually appears. Inventory is held only briefly to keep the marketplace moving. If time runs out, simply reselect the seats or refresh the page. Choose your delivery method. Most events use mobile entry, which means tickets live in your account with rotating barcodes, while some support standard transfers. Pick the option shown for that event. As a seller, make sure your tickets are eligible for the event's delivery type, so buyers get smooth access. Enter a payment method for checkout. Ticketmaster accepts major cards and digital wallets in many regions. Ensure the billing address matches your bank to avoid declines and keep your information current. Before you place the order, review every detail: event name, date, section, row, seat numbers, delivery method, fees, and the total. Confirm the purchase to finalize. Afterward, access your tickets in your account under My Tickets or Orders. For mobile entry, add them to your phone's wallet if available. If you're selling, this is also where you track transfer status and confirm that buyers receive the tickets. With these steps in mind, you'll list and manage with confidence.